Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken quesadilla, easy method. Heat a skillet over medium, add a little oil, and warm tortillas briefly. Layer shredded chicken, cheese, and any desired peppers on one half, fold and press gently. Cook each side until golden and cheese melts, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Let rest a minute, then slice into wedges and serve with salsa or sour cream. Warm oil in a pan and sauté onions and peppers until soft, then add pre-cooked chicken to heat through. Mix in taco seasoning or simple salt, pepper, and smoked paprika for a quick flavor boost. Squeeze lime and stir in cilantro after removing from heat to preserve freshness. Taste and adjust seasoning so each bite is balanced. This prep makes assembly fast and ensures every quesadilla is flavorful and not overloaded. Quick recommendation: if you're prepping quesadillas for the week, consider leak-proof containers to keep them fresh and intact between meals. These containers hold stacked wedges neatly and prevent sauces from escaping, making reheating simple and mess-free. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your skillet so it's evenly hot, then use medium heat to avoid burning while melting cheese perfectly. Assemble one quesadilla at a time to control browning and press lightly with a spatula for even contact and crisp texture. Flip confidently after the first side is golden, and finish cooking until cheese is gooey and filling is hot. Rest briefly before cutting to keep juices from running out and to create clean wedges.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.